Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox screen tearing on the application of Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox screen tearing, you should just go to settings. Then in this page we go to click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of Roblox. After that, in this page of app info, you will enter the first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then we can search about your Roblox on Play Store and you can update your application there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.